Hey, let's get active. I'm Coach Pirillo. Thank you for tuning in to Teach Phys Ed. This activity is a kicking one that we are calling Give or Take. And here's some items you're going to need. Some bowling pins, and underneath those are poly spots. I'm not using poly spots because I'm trying something new this year. It's working pretty well, minus kids tearing at them every once in a while. But I put vinyl circles down because I do a lot of games where we set up bowling pins down the middle. I'm sure you've seen a few of them. So this is going to make it a little bit quicker and easier, and then their dots aren't sliding everywhere. So it's working out really well. Now we're using our rainbow set hula hoops and foam-coated balls. These are probably the 6 1/4 diameter ball. You can use whatever size ball you want to use. And inside the hula hoops, well, obviously you can see the ball matches. Inside the hula hoop, we have about 4 Beanie Babies. You can use whatever items you want kids to give, take, and use in this activities, playing cards, milk caps, bean bags, whatever you got, right? Just so 4 is what we put because that's how many Beanie Babies I had enough for our class. So we have our students partner up because larger class sizes. We do have a few extras, so if some kids want to go by themselves, they can do that as well to get more practice. So we're working on kicking a stationary ball, and they're trying to aim to knock down a bowling pin. Now, the bowling pin they knocked down, we played a couple different ways. The way that I really liked how it worked was this way. So they're going to do their kick, and they're trying to knock down any color but their own. Okay, obviously I did not knock down my own bowling pin, or any bowling pin. So I would just go get my ball, and I'd bring it back, and I'd hand it to my partner, and then my partner would kick, and I would wait in the hula hoop against the wall. Anytime we knock down another color bowling pin, let's say my ball knocked down the orange bowling pin. All right, so I put it back up, I get my ball, and now I go to an orange hula hoop, and I take. So this is the take part of the game we told the kids. So I can go to my neighbor here, I can go there, I can go across the gym, whatever rule you want to make. We just told them just get one from somewhere that is from the color you knocked down. So that's the take part. Then they kick the ball, and if they knock down their own color, my bowling pin would, if I would have knocked down the yellow bowling pin, I would have to put the yellow up, and here's the give part. I have to take my one from my hoop and give it to one of the other teams. Okay, so it doesn't matter which team I give it to. I could choose if my BFF's over there, I can run it over and give it to my BFF, and then come on back. So that's the give and take part. The other version we played was if they knocked down another team's bowling pin. So if I would have knocked down orange, I would give one of my Beanie Babies to someone on the orange team. Or if I knocked down green, it would go to the green team. But if I knocked down my own color, I would go to one of the other colors and take from them. It can be any color, minus my team color. So we played in a couple rounds at a time, like 2-3 minute rounds. And then at the end of the round, we would look for a certain Beanie Baby to be the winner. And then we'd play the next round and look for a certain color. And that everybody on that color would be the winner. So everybody on yellow is on my team, even though there's multiple teams. So if that makes sense. And the kids seem to enjoy it. I hope that yours do as well. I'm Coach Pirillo reminding you to keep on moving.